Are you overwhelmed with all the tasks required to market your small business? The marketing to-do list is never ending, taking time away from other important small business tasks. Maybe you've tried to go it alone, navigating GoDaddy, Squarespace, Shopify, and a myriad of online tools to cobble together what you need. Or you've hired graphic artists, programmers, copywriters, and social media consultants, building out a qualified yet expensive and disparate team. Both approaches result in confusing messaging, inconsistent content, and poor results. Wouldn't it be great if there was a single vendor that worked with you side by side, from initial strategy through implementation and beyond, to unify your marketing? Well, now there is. Meet your new digital marketing partner, Terzetto Digital. With over 20 years' experience in marketing for small businesses, we'll help save you time and grow revenue, all at an affordable price. A done-with-you partnership that combines your industry knowledge with our marketing skills. An integrated approach that provides consulting, design, and over 100 marketing services. Finally, one company to call, one marketing plan, one support team. Take the first step to simplify your busy life with a free, no-obligation digital marketing analysis. It's time to focus on your business and let Terzetto Digital focus on your marketing success.